Okay, so it's a nice enough day out. And for starts, let's get this on. I do like the way that took underneath. I got a nice, clean surface. And I like the way it reflects. It's black. Get this back in place. Okay, now that I have this edge put back on, it's time to see what kind of fitment we're going to get on this. It has the hose already cut into place. And it comes with the hardware. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and I'm going to try to attach these little fittings. Okay, they seem like that's going to be a smooth enough fit. You have your screw, your washer, and this little piece here. Now when connecting it, this little J-like hook will hook under there, and then this part will go to the underside of the visor. Slides on as such. Little hook. Again. As you see, the tricky part, which this time 2 hands would work out. I have that sounds like my second hand pulling up right on time. As I said, my second hand pulled up right on time. How you doing?
Good. What you up to?
Trying to get this here sun visor, the wind deflector on.
Well, you're trying to put the wind deflector on, but you got it flying.
Huh? Oh yeah.
It's floating.
I'm gonna put want to put the mud guards on as well.
Yeah.
You doing okay?
Mm-hmm. Nice and warm out, so I'm on the bike.
It is. I could use your hand. You pulled up just in time.
Well, what do you need me to do?
Screw this in for me. Come around on this side.
Let me take my helmet off.
Okay. Yeah, I was just saying, second set of hands would be nice right now, and I heard your bike.
Mm-hmm. So where am I screwing?
You're gonna screw that screw in. I'm gonna line this up.
Okay. Oh, is this the custom interior you did? That was great.
I'm gonna redo it one more time because there's a different wood grain I like.
Mm-hmm. I like the change in color though. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to drive my Mustang up around here.
Okay.
So you can see it in action again.
Lined up.
It's coming off of the thing right here. Lift it up. Could you attach it to this and then clip it in place?
I'm gonna see.
No, leave it to you to always be up to something. But I don't blame you with it being 70 out.
I know, it's
and
really
guess what?
nice.
We're supposed to get snow next week.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Man.
Tuesday through Thursday, it's going to drop back down into the 30s, like low 30s, high 20s.
I can't force it down as low as it needs to go to get under the thing. Well, wait a minute. Okay.
Got it in?
Let
Maybe
me
to
see if
screw
I
it at
can,
all?
hold on. Since that's grabbing on that end, let me see if I can working on this end. All right.
That's it?
That's a click.
And just tighten them down?
Yeah. Hey, that lined up pretty good, I think.
I will say, I am jealous of you having a sunroof. I love them. Or moonroofs, whatever you want to call them. Is that one good to tighten?
Yeah.
Well, no, I had the Mustang running. Great. But there's a pinhole in my float. How's that?
Tighten it on down.
But that pinhole in my float means that the float is now full of gas, so the float does not float anymore.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
For the carburetor.
Yeah. So.
All right. That's the sunroof. But heck, I said, I don't think there's much of a bigger difference from the fitment. So I'm going to take an $85 gamble.
Yeah.
And I think I like it. And it's lower profile than the other ones.
The only thing I would do is have it paint match, or like paint it glossy.
No, I want it flat. I'm saying everything, all my trim is gonna be flat. My theme is SE. Glossy is XSE thing. And see, all my stuff is flat black on the SE. So I painted that flat black. I painted those flat black. My bottom is everything.
So it makes sense that you're getting a theme with
flat
it.
black.
Yeah.